Ito ba?
No, you know what? Kakasabi na ni Direk, alam ko iba yung sagot na gusto nyo, pero in love ako with life because hindi natin alam. Sabi ni Direk, hindi natin alam bukas or mamaya paglabas ko ng tent, di ba? Anong mangyayari? I could die. I mean, when pero wag naman. Pero di ba?
Agad-agad sa tent, pati kami kasama.
Agad magdaday kasi hospital naman na.
Kasi, tama.
Comatose muna.
Yeah, so after itong movie, ito yung last project ko for the year. You know, may mga personal projects na gusto ko yun. May mga ibang movies na gusto kong mag-produce. And I have this search and rescue K9 team. Parang pag nagka-earthquake o flood, meron kaming team na tutulong sa iba. So, yun yung nagpapasaya sa akin. Honestly, truthfully, sana maniwala kayo talaga.
Yes.
I'm inspired by that.
Okay naman yun, no, Albert, no?
Oo.
Ayan.
Ikaw,
Thank you, Albert.
direct me. Siyempre may pangarap ka din.
Yeah. So my dream has always been, ever since nung ano pa ako, bata ako, I wanted to be a director, a film director. And I was fortunate na nabigyan ako ng first movie ko, but it was a trilogy, hindi pa full length. Back in 2003 ba yun? Or 4? Basta yung Because of You. And after that, I was directing for television continuously, but never my own show, and I was never given my own full length. So, maybe something was wrong, and hindi ko alam kung ano yung kailangan na gawin para makapag-full length ako or magkaroon ako ng sarili. I wanted to move up. I wanted to level up, in other words. And ilang taon yun na dumadaan, na ganun lang ng ganun. Hindi ako na ganun level up. And I realized that siguro nga, ang dami ko pang kailangan matutunan. And hindi ko yun matututunan if nandun ako sa posisyon ng director. So even if I was already a director and already had, several soaps, several MMKs and all, I took I took the back seat and step down muna ako. Assistant director ako kay Direk Olive Lamasan sa movie na In My Life. I figured kasi na if I really want to do film, I have to go back to film. I have to train again. Kumbaga parang if it means going back to school, so parang di ba? Then I will do it. Oo. There was a pay cut. Siyempre, hindi ako babayaran bilang direktor. Binayaran ako bilang talagang tinapat ako, pag tinanggap mo yan, pag nag-assistant director ka, you will have to, we're going to pay you the rate of an assistant director. We're not gonna pay you the rate of a director. And are you willing to do it? So, yes, I'm willing to do it. I'm willing to do whatever it takes to learn and to improve because that's how badly I want to achieve this. And I figured after that film, if make or break yun for me Iniisip ko na nun, pag kunwari after that film, they say na May, you don't have it. May, we think you're in a wrong career, maybe you're not meant for film, you're not meant to be a film director. Nag-iisip na ako nun ng mga alternative careers magbe-bake na ba ako ng cookies? So, parang iniisip ko, maganda rin namang swan song pala to In My Life, kasi imagine to work with Direk Olive, with Vilma Santos, and then first film nila together ni Luis Manzano with John Lloyd in New York. Parang kung kunwari last movie ko na to, magandang swan song siya. But actually, it was the beginning of parang new learnings. And it really humbled me kasi na-realize ko na it's important that you never stop learning and that you will do whatever it takes. That parang kailangan, syempre ang hirap doon kasi director na ako, so meron nung start, parang yung treatment sa akin, parang pag kunwari sisigawan ako na ganyan, parang oo nga pala, tandaan mo, ito, tinanggap mo tong work na to. So
nasigawan ka ni Direk Olive?
Oo naman, syempre. Kasi it's part of it. They will not give me special treatment dahil just because I'm already a director. Tinanggap ko yung trabaho, parang that's what I signed up for. So yun.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Direk May, Gerald, Liza, and Enriquez, sa lahat ng mga friends nating mga vloggers. Maraming salamat.